Would you like to create avatars like these?
What if I told you that instead of spending days, money, and all other resources,
You can create all of this in minutes with just a few prompts?
Introducing Topview AI. With Topview AI, you can create engaging promotional and marketing videos by simply providing URLs. Add realistic AI avatars that look like real influencers. Generate viral YouTube shorts effortlessly. Convert long videos to stunning shorts. Make pictures talk. Welcome back to Develop Minds. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial of Topview AI. First things first, sign into your free account. To begin, welcome to the Topview AI interface. Let's explore its powerful AI creation tools step by step, starting with AI video ads. Click on AI video ads. These are all the human-like male and female avatars you can choose for your video. I am skipping it for now. Let's start with the URL to video option. Here you can paste a link from Amazon, eBay, YouTube, or Shopify store, or upload your own video for customization. For example, I'm creating a promotional video for an Amazon lightweight microfiber bedsheet. I paste the product link and click Import from Link. Topview AI extracts all images, videos, the product title, and description from the link. You can select which images or videos to include in your promotion. Under More Options, you can choose a video style, define your target audience, set the video length. I'll select a short video, upload a custom end card or watermark for branding, adjust the aspect ratio, and change the language from all these options. Select a voice from the Topview library or clone your own voice. It's a great feature. Let's hear some voices.
Welcome to Topview.ai.
Welcome to Topview.ai.
I will keep all the settings on auto select. You can choose any AI avatar from all the options. These are all so real. Let go with Issa this time. That's all. Click on Generate Video, and Topview will analyze all the details we input to create Polish promotional video. Topview generates multiple video options for you. You'll see the script here alongside the video preview. Let's edit one of them, this one. Here you can see all the clips behind the script. You can replace any clip by clicking here. Reset the position of avatar like this, or choose from here. You can also modify the style and placement of captions. Not just this, if you are not satisfied with the background music, you can also change that. Once satisfied with the edits, click Export. Premium members can export videos without the Topview watermark. You can preview the video after exporting, make additional edits if needed, or download the final version when completely satisfied. Let's preview the finished video.
Good sleep is a blessing. It was a mess. My old sheets felt like sandpaper, but here is the solution. I found these sheets on Amazon. Instant cloud-like comfort. They're soft, easy care, and stylish. Don't wait. Grab them now.
It's great. Next comes text-to-video avatar. Click on AI avatar. Input your text here or import any audio file and let these avatars speak for you. Input your text, choose the voice and avatar, and click on Generate. Choose the resolution, and you are done. Preview and download the clip. Let preview the results.
Watch full video and subscribe to our channel Develop Minds.
Wow, amazing. Next comes an amazing feature to Topview AI. You can make any picture talk, but for that, let's first generate a unique picture by providing prompt to Topview. Click on AI Image Creation. Input your prompt. Type in all the details you want in your image. Change the size and style of the image, and click on Generate. Wow, I like it, but let the panda face the camera. Regenerate image. Yeah, it's better, in fact best. Now we will allow this panda to speak. For that, click on Photo Avatar, upload the generated image, input your text, and choose the voice style. Click on Generate. First download it, and let's preview.
Welcome to Develop Minds, where we turn dreams into reality and add a little spark and maybe some caffeine.
It's funny, but perfect. Have you noticed the captivating thumbnails on my channel's YouTube shorts? Guess what? They were all generated using Topview AI. Let me scroll down the history of AI-generated images. Here are those stunning thumbnails. But wait, why not generate an image for this video's thumbnail using Topview AI? Let's give it a shot. I have an idea in mind, and I'm writing it down to create the perfect image for this video's thumbnail. Done. Now let's click Generate, and voila! Here are the amazing options Topview AI has created. Which one do you think I should edit further to make the perfect thumbnail for this video? But that's not all. Topview AI is revolutionizing customer interaction with real-time chat avatars. These avatars can engage in one-on-one real-time conversations, making it easier to connect with more customers. Topview AI's chat avatars support an impressive 29 different languages, making global communications seamless. Even more exciting, these avatars can integrate with advanced LLMs APIs like ChatGPT and Gemini, unlocking limitless possibilities. And yes, you can use this service for an unlimited duration. I am impressed. Let's break down the pricing now. In the free plan, you can get 10 credits per month, enough to generate 2 videos for free monthly, and you can upgrade for paid plans for just $11 per month, unlocking additional features and credits. I've included a link in the description where you can sign up for free and start exploring Topview AI's amazing features today. That's it for now. If you enjoy our content and want more exciting updates, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.